So I'm in the building of the first, kind of like the first floor. That, man, all this fucking framing and drywall. Kind of don't even recognize. You know what I'm saying? You guys remember when we were spraying all this? I feel like I'm in a maze in this building. Totally different from when there's nothing else. Fuck. It's just a big fucking maze.
After break, after break, we got
I could hear some of our guys out there. Oh, is that our shit? Oh no, it's fucking concrete. And this is, you know, that's what we spray. Used to this open type of area, but I could hear John laughing. So definitely close to our other crew. God, it's a fucking long walk. I'll show you guys an outside picture of, because I'm pretty much on the inside. It's a very long, it's going to be a very long video. So now we're crossing over to that second building. I'm going to stop this and just pretty much going to start at the end of the hall.